Today's first news. On April 16, 2025, a Van Yatra was organized at the school in Prempur village located in Bithur. Acharya Khushbu, a dedicated postgraduate in arts, has been tirelessly educating the children for the past 2 years and played a key role in the event. The village committee warmly welcomed all the visitors with garlands. During the interaction with the children, discussions were centered around their dreams and aspirations. Many expressed their desire to become doctors, engineers, and police officers, showcasing a bright and ambitious future. The event concluded under the esteemed chairmanship of Dr. Savita Rastogi in the presence of 25 newly inducted members of the Women's Department. As a gesture of encouragement and support, donors distributed school bags, lunch boxes, chocolates, pencils, and fruity drinks to all the 25 children. The annual planning meeting held at Trikuta Yatri Niwas in Ambafala, Jammu concluded on April 16, 2025. Commencing on April 14, this important gathering is conducted once a year to reflect on the campaign's progress and strategize the action plan for the upcoming year. It witnessed the active participation of 64 dedicated workers from various parts of the country. A highlight of the event was the presence of several esteemed dignitaries on the second day. Honorable Alok Kumarji, Sah Sarkaryawaha of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and Sampark Pramukh of Ekal Abhiyan graced the occasion along with Honorable Madhvendra Singh Ji, Sangathan Prabhari of Ekal Abhiyan, Honorable Suman Chand Dheer Ji, member of Ekal Abhiyan Kendriya Karyakarini, and Dr. Lalan Sharma Ji, Mahasachiv of Ekal Abhiyan Kendriya Karyakarini. Their guidance and insights provided valuable direction to all the people. On the closing ceremony, Shri Shakti Raj Parihar, MLA of Doda Assembly Constituency, and Shri Dhirendra Ji, Division President of Jammu Division, were present as chief guests, along with other respected members of the local committee. On April 12, 2025, Shri Hanuman Janmotsav was celebrated with great devotion and enthusiasm across the country under the Ekal Abhiyan. The festivities were marked by various spiritual and cultural programs including the recitation of Hanuman Chalisa, vibrant processions, yagya and the melodious recitation of Sundarkand. A total of 96 chariots were deployed to carry out these programs, spreading devotion and spiritual energy to every corner of the nation. The celebration not only reinforced cultural values but also unified communities in spiritual harmony. The Van Yatra of 54 women from Delhi concluded on April 16, 2025 in the Moradabad region. The journey included a spiritually enriching bath in the sacred Ganga at Braj Ghat, followed by a visit to the GRC school in Gajraula. The program culminated in the presence of Anchal Adhyaksh, Mrs. Geeta Goswami and other dedicated workers. During the event, Mr. Uttam Singh provided insightful information about the Ekal Abhiyan and its impactful grassroots initiatives. These Van Yatras are connecting urban society with the ground-level work of Ekal, fostering awareness, participation, and a deeper sense of social responsibility. On April 12, 2025, Hanuman Janmotsav was celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion at Ekal Bhavan, Pitampura, Delhi. The program was gracefully led by BLSP General Secretary Mr. Rajiv Agrawal and his wife Mrs. Madhuri Agrawal. The atmosphere was filled with spiritual energy as bhajans, aartis and chants of devotion echoed through the venue, creating a deeply devotional ambience. A remarkable highlight of the event was the participation of 240 Ekal Gramotthans Kendras who joined the celebrations virtually via Zoom, showcasing the unity and collective spirit of the Ekal family across regions. EGF Chairman Mr. S.K. Jindal, Kendriya Abhiyan Pramukh Dr. Lalan Sharma, along with other key officials also participated in the celebration through the digital platform, adding further significance to the occasion. The Shri Ram Shobha Yatra 2025 held in Dhanbad emerged as a significant and widely discussed event not just within Jharkhand but across the entire nation. The grand success of the Yatra was rooted in the values of truth, integrity, discipline, dignity, and the powerful spirit of Hindu unity. More than just a procession, the Shobha Yatra stood as a symbol of unwavering dedication, collective effort, and divine grace. It became a living embodiment of Sri Ram Ji's blessings and a shining example of harmony and devotion. Ekal Abhiyan organized Ekal Study Circle Meet with the theme of Rural Innovation and Entrepreneurship for Viksit Bharat. Eminent intellectuals of the country, including Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Professor Vivek Kumar, and public opinion analyst Yashwant Deshmukh participated in this seminar. Students from about 7 to 8 colleges of Delhi University also attended. During this meeting, Ekal Abhiyan signed a MOU with 3 colleges, which aims to provide practical experience to the students by connecting them with village-oriented projects. Through these MOUs, students will be given the opportunity to intern in Ekal Abhiyan's ongoing projects.